such a place, we needed a full episode on the simple act of recycling. If you ask the students in Professor Dahlstrom's upper-level marketing and sustainability class, who survey students in the residence halls almost every year, they'll tell you that most students are committed to sustainability and recycling. Really? Well, let's look into the state of recycling in the residence halls. We go now on location, first to Hamilton Hall, where the eco-reps are currently conducting a trash audit. They actually dig through the trash, pull out and weigh everything that should have been recycled, and then report the percentage that could have been recycled to the hall listserv. Honestly, I'd rather eat off the floor at Pulley than dig through your trash, but let's check in and see what they're finding.
Okay, Jack, we've just finished a trash audit here, and they've done a nice job. Only 14% of their trash should have been recycled.
All right, Hamilton Hall, not bad. Now on to Hahn Hall on North Quad. What are you finding up there?
Jack, it's your basic nightmare up here. We calculated that as much as 54% of the trash in this building could have been recycled. We really don't know what their deal is.
Wonder what their hall t-shirt was like this year. I think we just don't give a damn about polar bears. Beat out climate schmiming. And not to pick on poor Hahn Hall, the eco-reps report a wide range of trash audit results. Unfortunately, many other halls have should have recycled percentages of 30, 40, and 50%. People, students are doing better in Math 151 than you are in recycling. Now, I can only think of 3 reasons why Miami students are not recycling more often. The first is just to blame it on Miami. If they would just put individual recycling containers in each of our residence hall rooms, put recycling bins right next to the trash bins, label all the bins with huge freaking signs, and add recycling dumpsters next to the trash dumpsters, then we might get some recycling done around here. What's that? Oh, Miami does all that stuff already. Okay, I have 2 reasons why Miami students are not recycling more. The first one's just too depressing to discuss at length. It's because we, 18 to 22-year-old college students, are the most lazy, self-centered, aloof, indolent, obtuse, lazy, did I say lazy? Lazy-ass demographic. You're so lazy that the only reason you're watching this video is because it was the next YouTube video up after the classic Vine compilation you just watched, but we're too lazy to turn off. The second reason is a little bit more palatable. It might be that we're just a little confused about what we can and cannot recycle. So here's a quick primer on the yeses and nos of recycling in our area. Let's start with the most confusing material, plastic. The general rule, set forth by Rumpke Recycling, is that if the neck of the container is narrower than the body of the container, it can be recycled. Plastic water bottles? Yes. Laundry detergent containers? Yes. Yogurt containers? No. Clamshell food containers? No. Fruit containers? No. Plastic Funko Pop of an NFL player? No. Cellophane, candy wrappers, plastic packaging? No, no, and no. Disposable coffee cup lids? No. Coffee cold cup? No. Mountain Dew bottles? Yes. Energy drink bottles? Yes. Should you be consuming any of this crap in the first place? No. Milk jugs? Yes. Now on to paper, which is more straightforward with a few exceptions. Of course, newspapers, junk mail, and organic chemistry notes? Yes, yes, and definitely. Cardboard boxes? Yes. The plastic and styrofoam packing materials that come with the cardboard boxes? No. Cereal boxes? Yes. Box that held condoms? Yes. The condoms themselves? No. Any paper that is wet, greasy, or covered with food? No. The top of a pizza box that is not greasy or covered with food? Yes. Now, this next bit can get confusing. Wax-coated drink bottles? Yes. Wax-coated coffee cups? No. The paper sleeve in which the hot coffee cup is served? Yes. And finally, almost all small post-consumer metal is recyclable. Soda and food cans? Yes. Lids from jars? Yes. Empty hairspray bottles? Yes. The razor scooter your mom was sure you'd use all the time in college? Not recyclable. Also, there are 3 items that Rumpke does not recycle, but the eco-reps do. In the specialty recycling buckets in your residence hall trash room, you can recycle plastic shopping bags, batteries, Brita filters, and ink cartridges. So now that you know what to recycle, I don't know how to make you recycle. Perhaps an app that assigns an Instagram filter based on your recycling habits. This student recycles. This one doesn't. Maybe TSA pre-check lines at the dining halls for students who recycle. Or maybe students should just realize that the future of our planet relies on us. And even the most minute act of recycling one thing, when added to hundreds of other students doing the same thing, has a significant impact on the environment. Nah. But those pre-check lines sound pretty sweet. For Such a Life, I'm Jack Troiano. For more Such a Life, go to YouTube and search for Res Life at Miami University.
Speed marker.
The Miami scarf your grandma knit you for Christmas, but you never wear, not recyclable.
Speed marker.
An HP printer, not recyclable.
Speed marker.
A Michigan license plate, really?
Speed.
The trumpet that you got from band camp that one year? A pool cue, not recyclable. A skateboard. A snow shovel. Another no, you can't recycle a condom. Probably call somebody about that.